Hi everyone and welcome to my new vlog. This year we had our vacation in September. Early autumn turned out to be a great time to visit our regions. Our trip to Qakh starts a series of videos from this vacation. In Qakh we visited 7 churches complex, very impressive and old historical monument, and stunning Mamirli Waterfall. Let's start the video. So we are going to new place we haven't heard about before. It's called 7 Churches Complex. The local said that it's 500 meters from the place where we left our car. The road was bad, that's why we had to leave the car and go by foot. And I think we came to something, but I don't know what's it. So we returned to the main road, if we can call it a road anyway. So let's call it a gate. And we are not sure where is this temple, because no sign of it is noticed. But let's continue. Maybe we will reach it soon. So we finally reached the place. Not sure how it looks inside, but outside it seems like something ancient. Seems like fire damaged this place. Welcome to the 7 Churches complex. Actually, not much is left from it because it's a very old place, 6th-7th centuries. But still, I think I don't regret coming here. Let's come further. As you can see, there is a table where it's written that it's from 6th and 7th centuries. And I think it's pretty much true. My father was beating some walnuts to open them. Not bad. On the territory of Qakh and Qakh regions, as well as on the territory of Northwest Azerbaijan, there are many Albanian temples. And as I mentioned in one of my previous videos, Albanians were Christians. This ancient place reminded me of Turkey, where you can also find different ruins of historical buildings. That building is the best preserved one, the figure, this form remains in a good way. I wonder how this complex looked like when all of its parts were connected, were a whole. It had to be something very massive. So here is this narrow window which makes it obvious that it was a church. Yeah, we are leaving this place and going to our next destination, Mamirli Waterfall. But I think it won't impress me as much as this place. Goodbye! I think there's spring somewhere here, but we're going to the waterfall. Actually, I was not sure that we should come to Qakh again. We've been there before. We visited Uludağ resort and Ilisu village. It was very cool. I mean, infrastructure was great. And I heard that there is another village here, Sarabash. But we didn't come to Sarabash, we came to Mamirli. But before we turned to the road of Mamali, we saw a sign where it was written 7 churches complex. I'm glad we visited that place because just like my father, I like ancient places. There is another sign here saying that we should turn to the left. Oh, some water again. Nice flowers here and forest. After the war, lots of stands dedicated to our Shaheeds were placed across the country, in the villages and cities where they were born. And this is one of these brave soldiers of our country. Allah rahmat eylesin. Rest in peace. I think it's very appropriate tradition to commemorate the memories of our Shaheeds this way. I'm really glad that we have this opportunity to see the people who sacrificed their lives for our safety, for our, I don't know, for us to be relaxed and happy to see our land back. It's probably a place for picnics. See how many tables they have here. Yeah, I'm safe. The leaves are falling. Very beautiful. You see? Autumn. It's the best. Oh, yay! 150 meters left. Another samovar. So we are finally here. It's written that this waterfall is situated at 6 meters above the sea level, and this waterfall's height is 15 meters and its width is 30 meters. Let's come a little higher, and oh, you can see already this is the waterfall. When I struggle with going up somewhere, I like to think of the fact that when I will return, I will go down and it will be much easier. As you can see, this waterfall is covered with moss, and I think it adds some magical appearance to it. I really loved it. Let's come closer. This place looks like a cave. This kind of the back part of the waterfall. This water is splashing on me. Really nice. I love it. Someone came here as well. Goodbye, Mamirli Waterfall. We have to return now. And this is woods which village people will use for making fire, probably. We are going down. So I wanted to make something clear. When we came here, we turned right and stopped our car somewhere here. We went all that way by foot, but you can turn to the left. You can stop your car closer to the waterfall and go by foot much less than us. First part of our vacation comes to an end here. Stay tuned for the next videos from other regions we've visited this time. I promise it will be interesting. Bye!